The reason why I joined Team REVVolutionaries in rNetwork. You see, I've been involved in this industry for over 37 years. And during that time, I've never found a leader that is as much dedicated and committed to his team being successful as our team leader and founding member, John Johnson. His motto is, leave no charter member behind. We have many great leaders on our team, along with the many products and services that will change our industry.
And I want to tell you why I'm so excited to be a part of Team REVVolutionaries. I've been in network marketing now for a few years. But one thing I did find in all those companies is one common thing. They never delivered on their promises. But what I found with Team REVVolutionaries already is that John Johnson has delivered on his promises. He's doing stuff that I've never heard of before. John Johnson doesn't just talk the talk, he walks the walk. What I mean by that is, multiple times a week, he brings a training to you that costs thousands of dollars on the outside market. And he's bringing it to you to teach you how to build your business and to also teach you to teach the people you bring on to build their businesses. This one blows my mind every time. John Johnson, out of his own pocket, has purchased the #1 digital advertising company out there to put together videos to build your network, my network, and everyone else in Team REVVolutionaries.
I am so excited to be a part of this amazing team. The leadership, training, support, it's all here. Very easy to understand and duplicatable. All I can say is wow.
rNetwork is already easy to share with its technology and thousands of merchants to sing from. Being involved with Team REVVolutionaries makes it sharing rNetwork easy and comfortable with free training, free marketing, including free videos, regular meetings with updates, all kinds of stuff. Guided by John Johnson, his wealth of information, Team REVVolutionaries makes us strong.
Yeah, we've been in marketing now for a few years or so, and we've joined other teams before, and we always thought they were good, but this one, the REVVolutionaries, is the best team I've ever been on, because not just John Johnson, he's the team leader, but everybody on that whole team is supportive, right? Whenever we try and find out an answer that we don't know, if John Johnson's not available, he always has people there that will help you with anything. But most of the time, he'll get right back in touch with you. He's not.
That's true. And I know one of the things that we've always faced as marketers, since we've been in this, is that anytime we wanted to progress or grow or educate ourselves further on how to be a better marketer, there was always some sort of price tag attached to that, or some sort of hidden fee, or something that just kept us spending more and more money just to be a part of the team that we were a part of. And that's one of the amazing things about this. I mean, John is taking out all of his time to educate his entire team on a course that's cost thousands of dollars that he's just providing for everybody for free.
Yeah, I noticed that too, because in a couple of things that we were in, if you wanted to learn more, you got to go to the next level, as Robin was saying. This one, you don't have to go to the next level. He's happy to help you with everything he knows. All his knowledge is yours. It's there for the taking.
Hi, my name is Amélie. I'm from France, and I joined this opportunity 7 months ago. And what I didn't know at this time was that I was joining not only a business, but an amazing team, a huge team, always there to help everyone, every member of the team. We have an amazing upline called John Johnson, who is working a full-time to help us to be successful in this opportunity. He shared with us all the skills you can imagine. He gave us some trainings, incredible trainings. He gave us all the tools you can imagine to improve your business. His best advices in that. He's really amazing, a great leader, always there to help me. I'm so glad to work with him and all the leaders you can have in the team everywhere in USA and in some other countries. I'm so glad to be a part of this team. I'm so happy to be a member, and I wish you from the bottom of my heart to be a part of this team.
From the very beginning of this, like the napkin stage, I've been blown away about the concept. This is nothing like I've ever seen before. So If you're thinking about joining, to me, that's a complete no-brainer. Join, get in, get started, absolutely. The bigger no-brainer is answer to the question, who to join with. To me, it's Team Revvolutionaries all the way, absolutely no doubt. I've known the guy for a couple of years now. The guy's just amazing, absolutely top shelf. The system he's put together for us, I cannot speak highly enough about that gentleman. He is a wonderful human being. Now, I have always put the benchmark in my life unknowingly based on a quote I heard a few years ago. I had lived it, but once I heard the quote, I understood what it was. General George Patton said, and I quote, "Always do what you ask of those you command." Now, I've only met, honestly, a very, very small handful of people in my entire life that live up to that standard. My grandfather, God rest his soul, best man I ever met in my entire life, hardest working man I ever met in my entire life. But I gotta tell you, John, you're in that club. John has never asked me or a single person on this team to ever do anything he does not do himself. That man leads by example. I am proud to call him a friend. I am proud to be one of the first people he sponsored. I'm proud of being a member of the rNetwork, and I am an unbelievable proud representative of Team Revvolutionaries.